It was a good experience. It's just like a big job interview, once in a lifetime opportunity. Didn't get invited to the combine, so pro day's always there, and just had to do the same thing I thought I was gonna do at the combine if I went. And I felt like I had a pretty good day. I felt like I ran fast, did a good quality number on the bench reps. I jumped the highest, and I had good drills, and I looked good in the position drills. So I felt like overall I had a pretty good day.
How's the unofficial 40 coming?
I'm not sure. I don't even know yet. I just saw the unofficial like 4, 5, 6. I didn't even see the official yet, so I'm still waiting on to hear that.
How nerve-wracking is a day like today? I mean, as you said, this is a job interview for you guys.
You just got to prepare yourself, while you're training, getting up early, just you got to be ready for interviews. You just can't come into it thinking, oh, I'm gonna say this, I'm gonna say that, I'll be doing this, I can't stretch. You just gotta. It's a tough task, and you just gotta be ready for it. It's just like a game, waiting on that 12 o'clock game, and when it's time, you gotta go out and perform. So, the past couple of weeks I've been training. That's what I've been doing. Just getting up early, making sure I eat, stretching at night, things like that. Little things that's gonna help me running fast and do things like that.
You're at 245. Is that your goal?
Yes, sir. For right now, I wanted to weigh in at 245. At the next level, I'll probably bulk up another 5 to 10 pounds, but that would be the most. 255 is the most I get at. But right now, they wanted to see me weigh in about 245, and I did.
What was the hardest part of the guys who look at things that you maybe never even thought about as a player? All the scouts in there. I mean, were you kind of aware of the microscope you were under, and some things they were watching you do that you weren't even, maybe haven't even thought of?
I guess you could say that, but like I said, it's like a game. When you go play in big games like against FSU, South Carolina, there's a lot of scouts there. You may not know it at the time, or somebody may not tell you, but I mean, they're there for a reason. Because they want to see what guys can do against the best guys that's out there. And today I know there's going to be a lot of guys because Clemson always has a good, pro day and have a lot of people. So one thing I try to do is just get myself ready and be ready to go.
Thank you, buddy. Really appreciate it.
What was the hardest part about the day?
The hardest part was I didn't think they gave all the guys enough time to stretch and warm up from drill to drill. But like I said, that's why I got loose before. Try to keep staying loose. But most guys, didn't get enough time stretching. But other than that, you just got to be able to perform. They want to see you perform when you're not, fully ready. You just got to be able to hit it and get it. And that's one thing that I did.